Well, thank you so much. Firstly, I would like to say some things about these topics, criterion questions to solve the integral calculus. Nowadays, I have to watch this question firstly, and you have to deeply thought this question. Scenarios f of x equal to plus x, and scenario is 2 cot y equal to theta. Find the integral with respect to y with theta to the power 7, and number is called sin inverse f of x minus a divided f of x dx, and number is go so that 1 to root 3 f of theta minus a y d theta equal to. Firstly, you have to say that these questions and gather this question, and you have to solve this question easily and easy way. You have to thinking this question and thinking this integral calculus rules and regulations. It's so important. All of intermediate students and examining and many kinds of administration with universities, private or public. So it's so important part in life. I think that it's all firstly one question is integral with respect to y with theta to the power 7. It's also number kha is ko integration theta to the power 7 dy I equal to, so then theta to the power y means cot theta to the power 7 dy d cot 7y into dy just cot y equal to theta. So that implies cot 5 theta into cot square theta d theta. It's so apply in formula cot to the power 5 theta and cot square theta means cosec square theta minus 1 d theta. It's also right or not? Of course, correct these questions. So cot 5 theta into cosec square theta d theta. Cosec square theta means cosec square y cosec square y cosec square y minus 1 cosec square y minus cot y 5 theta and dy negation. It's totally different mathematics and different maths. Firstly, cot y, integration of cot 5 theta and d of cot theta and minus integration cot cube y into cot square y dy. So then minus cot to the power 6y divided by 6 minus integration cot 3y into cosec square y minus 1 into dy closed integration dx. So I think that minus cot 6 y divided by 6 minus cot 4y divided by 4 minus plus integration cot cube y dy. Cot cube y dy. It's also critical, but you have to practice deeply, then obviously you used in easily way. I think that. So that's why minus cot y divided by 6 cot 6 minus cot to the power 4 y divided by 4 and plus cot cube theta. Cot cube theta means integration cot y into cot square y dy minus cot 6y divided by 6 minus cot 4y divided by 4 plus cot y into cosec square y minus 1 into dy. It's totally difficult and tough. So obviously these questions are so critical. You have to deeply minded these questions and easy way. So I have to solve this easy way. Obviously you have to practice in deeply way. That's why cot square y divided by 2 minus integration cot y dy, right? So cot 6y divided by 6 cot 4 y divided by y plus cot square y divided by 2. Minus cot 6y divided by 6 minus cot 4y divided by y minus cot square y divided by 2 minus log sin y plus c. This is the answer. So you have to practice in deeply and deeply thoughts this process. You have to try term by term and you have to memorize easily way. Then obviously you have to deeply thinking this process. So you have to answer that system and examine hall. So no problems and no problems. I think that you have to easy way, easy process. Scenario 2 and scenario 1. Scenario 2 sin inverse x minus sin inverse and scenario is number co means integration sin inverse function x minus a divided by f of x dx. So then that's why I equal to integration sin inverse f of x minus a. তাহলে a plus x minus a root. So divided by f of x means a plus x. This is the function and system. That's why sin inverse x divided by a plus x dx. We have to thinking deeply way. So firstly a plus x that means x equal to tan square theta. A plus x that means a equal to that means x equal to a tan square theta. It's also memorize this format. Put x equal to a tan square theta. That's why dx equal to 2a tan theta and sec square theta d theta. Oh, okay. So I equal to integration sin inverse x, that means a tan square theta divided by a into 1 plus tan square theta into 2a twice a tan theta sec square theta d theta. That means twice a is a sin inverse tan theta divided by 1 plus sec square tan sec square sec theta into tan theta sec square theta d theta. Well, that's why you have to thinking a plus x equal put, that implies twice a sin inverse sin theta, sin of theta and tan theta sec square theta d theta. Well, so twice a theta tan theta and sec square theta d theta. Right, you are. Okay, that's why 2a third bracket theta tan theta sec square theta d theta minus integration d of d theta into theta. That's why tan theta into sec square theta d theta, close d theta. Just for formula in UV, just for formula in U also B. That's why 2a and theta tan theta and d of tan theta means d of tan theta minus integration 1 into integration tan theta d of tan theta and close integration d theta. So 2a twice a theta tan square theta divide 2 minus integration tan square theta divided by 2 into d theta. That's why a theta tan square theta tan square theta minus a integration sec square theta minus 1 into d theta. Well, thank you everybody, and thanks a lot of viewers and lot of foreigners. So it also totally easiest and easy process. You have to thinking term by term and memorize to term by term, and systematically you have to watch this mathematics. It's so critical and easy way, solve this easy way. So a into tan theta minus theta plus c. just that's equal to a into theta means x equal to a tan square theta, that means x divided by a equal to tan square theta, and tan theta equal to x divided by a root over, and theta equal to tan inverse root over x divided a. So then a into theta means tan inverse root over x divided a, and minus a theta, and tan square theta means x divide a minus a tan theta means x divide a root over minus plus a theta. A into theta means tan inverse x divide a root over plus c. This is the process and system. This system are memorized and process are gathered. And obviously you have to thinking this process and system, then automatically solve this examining hall. It's also you have to clear this process and system and mathematics. This most important maths, and most of students are memorious. Then obviously gather this math and gather this way and system this process.